Okay. So this
is us playing Juggernaut. This guy, Brady, is going to be the Juggernaut, and I'm going to be the original shooter. I'm going to try to aim. I don't know where the hell I should aim, but I should aim right there. Yeah, so yeah. Might want to cover that up. Okay, yeah, so yeah, we're going to play some Juggernaut.
right
Airsoft
there.
mini carbine. Yeah, I shot Caden, so.
Yeah.
Airsoft mini carbine. No, here. No.
Okay.
Wait, don't shoot me unless I chase you. Screw you. No.
1.
Wait.
Oh, sec.
3.
1, 2, 3. Juggernaut, I guess.
Right the lip.
Okay, so Juggernaut tagged him, so game is done. Whoa. Okay, game over.